In this chapter, let us learn about NumPy array shape. Shape of an array. The shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimensions. Get the shape of an array. NumPy arrays have an attribute called shape that returns a tuple with each index having the number of corresponding elements. See the example, print the shape of a 2D array. See, if we execute this code by giving np.array and giving print array.shape, see the result returns 2, 4. The example above returns 2, 4, which means that the array has 2 dimensions and each dimension has 4 elements. Create an array with 5 dimensions using n-dimen using a vector values 1, 2, 3, 4 and verify that last dimension has value 4. See, if we execute this code by giving 1, 2, 3, 4 n-dimen is equal to 5, see print array.shape, the result returns here. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, shape of array is to 1 is to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4. See, what does the shape tuple represent? The integers are very index tells about the number of elements the corresponding dimensions has. In this example above, at index 4, we have the value 4. So, we can say that fifth 4 plus 1th dimension has 4 elements. Okay friends, this is the end of part 8 array shape. In next video, let us learn about another topic, array reshaping. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.